there, Home Depot and fellow Haven Mavens. I'm Erin Devine from Top Shelf DIY, and welcome to my humble abode. Here's what our living room looked like last year at this time. An explosion of beige, a starry night fireplace, and a white modern monstrosity for a TV center. Last November, my husband finally gave in and let me remove the TV center since it was no longer securely attached to the wall. Once I finished pulverizing that thing with a sledgehammer, I went about reconstructing a new area in the fireplace. While the fireplace wall is 10 times better, the other wall is kind of a smattering of patched holes and a random electrical outlet we no longer need. And around the fireplace we have miles and miles of cord within reaching distance of our children's little fingers. Let's not forget the tripping hazards in the form of 500 million toys lying around. It's been a long battle to win this fight, to have the TV mounted above the fireplace. If I win this competition, my husband has agreed 100%. And that's why I need $5,000 from you, Home Depot, so I can finish what I started and win this battle once and for all. I'd start by painting the walls my go-to Chantilly lace by Benjamin Moore. I'd replace all the Builder-Grade window trim with a more craftsman look and replace the old blinds with lovely shears. I'd turn the wall opposite the windows into a gallery wall with a single chair rail, and then I'd add built-in bookshelves to each side of the mantel made from pure bond plywood with a 1x2 face frame. And what project would be complete without some stacked crown molding wrapping around the perimeter of the room and the new built-ins? To cut down on clutter in the room and also eliminate some sharp corners, I DIY a little tufted ottoman with a hinged lid for hidden storage. And now for the big finish, the fireplace. Using the Home Depot app, I'll find a local electrician and have them wire an outlet above the fireplace. I'll bump out the area with 2x4s and enclose it with drywall, followed by board and batten, followed by a television with a full rotating mount. For the mantel, I'd build a box from 1x6 pine to slide over the existing mantel. Below that would be corbels, and the whole thing would be stained with a gray French walnut combo finish. I'd use the Home Depot list app to gather everything I need prior to building the mantel cover.